Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another video on how you can fix direct message on TikTok. In case if you don't have the message option on your TikTok application, then following this method you'll be able to fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you'll have to make sure whether the app is updated or not. So in order to update, you'll have to open up your Play Store application, and after that on the search box type in TikTok. And once you type in the name of an application on the other interface, if you have update instead of open, which means that the update is available, sometimes just an update might be able to fix the issue. In case if you're still unable to fix it, then the other thing what you can do is simply long press on your TikTok application, and after that tap on app info. And once you tap on app info, on the other interface you have a list of options. So over here you'll have to slightly scroll down and then tap on permission. Once you do that, on the other interface you'll have to make sure that all of these features are enabled, and after that you'll have to do the same process with the rest of the other feature. Now after you're done with this app permission, and then tap on storage. Once you tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and after that clear data as well. And after that you might be able to fix the issue. After doing all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, so then the last alternative what you can do is you can simply report a problem. So in order to report a problem, you'll have to open up your TikTok application. After you open up your TikTok application, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, on the other interface you'll have to tap on the try bar icon located in the top right, and then tap on settings from the drop down menu. Once you're on settings and privacy page, you'll have to scroll down, and right in between you have an option as support and about, and under it you'll have to tap on report a problem. And once you're in this page, what you have to do is you'll have to select a topic. So for that, scroll down, and then right in between you have an option as direct message or notification. You can tap on either one of these options. So I'll be going on with direct message. After you tap on it, on the other interface, once again you'll have to select a topic. So you have a list of options, so then select it accordingly what is the issue. And now on the other interface there is an article, so make sure to go through it, and what you need to do is you'll have to tap on no, and after that tap on need more help, which is right at the bottom. Now you have to type in a feedback. So what you need to type in is that, hello TikTok, I could not provide a message option, so please provide me this option as soon as possible. And once you're done typing in the message, you'll have to tap on submit, which is right at the bottom. And once the feedback or the report has been submitted, all you have to do is wait patiently for a couple of days until they look into your matter. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.